Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Rawal from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. This newsreel is sponsored by Delhi-based Axe Engineering, an eminent manufacturer, importer and exporter of plastic processing machines and rubber processing machines. Crude oil prices declined on Wednesday. While WTI traded at $53.11, down 29 cents per barrel, Brent finished at 55.86, down 37 cents per barrel. Despite weaker upstream crude values, open spec naphtha prices on Wednesday gained by $6 per metric ton to the $499 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. On Wednesday, ethylene prices edged higher in parts of Asia. Prices were at $1,045 per metric ton CFR Southeast Asia levels, a rise of $5 per metric ton on the day. Limited product availability and firmer upstream costs together pushed prices higher in the region. Prices were assessed steady at $1170 per metric ton CFR Northeast Asia levels. Propylene prices fell in Asia on Wednesday. Prices were at $810 per metric ton FOB Korea levels and $825 per metric ton CFR China levels, both down by $10 per metric ton from Tuesday. The price fall was supported by weak demand trends and falling downstream PP rates. Benzene and SM prices edged lower in Asia on Wednesday. Reports of weaker demand trends in the region pulled prices lower in Asia. Benzene prices were at $845 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a day-on-day fall of $10 per metric ton. Styrene monomer prices were at $1175 per metric ton FOB Korea levels and $1200 per metric ton CFR China levels, both down by $5 per metric ton from Tuesday's assessed levels. In the domestic markets, RIL rolled over midweek PP, PE and PVC prices. PET prices have been reduced by Rs 3 per kg basic with effect from April 13, 2017. IOCL has rolled over PP prices except for PP raffia, PP fiber and PP filament grades, which have been reduced by Rs 2 per kg basic with effect from April 13, 2017. PE prices have been left unchanged. Polymer Update is South Asia's first petrochemical market intelligence platform. Over the past 17 years, the company has helped create benchmark price assessments for various commodity polymers. Polymer Update's proprietary methodology is widely respected and has built a strong enough credibility to help several thousand industry leaders make business-critical decisions on a daily basis. Feedback shows that most of Polymer Update subscribers save large amounts of money while basing their decisions on the intelligence we provide. We at Polymer Update are also thrilled to inform our viewers that our trading app Polymer Exchange has clocked sales of over 27,000 metric ton of raw material in the past 2 months. The app is currently free but will become a paid tool very soon. Download it today and understand why the app makes buying and selling of polymers so very simple. To get real-time polymer prices and daily news updates, subscribe to Polymer Update today. Thank you.